Hello, explorers. Today we will focus on some common preposition mistakes that people make. So, let's get started. She married with him last year. The correct sentence is she married him last year. The verb married does not require the preposition with. This small adjustment makes your sentence grammatically accurate. Next one I have for you. He is good in math. The correct sentence is he is good at math. When discussing a skill or subject, always use at instead of in. This makes your sentence sound more natural and correct. Last but not the least, they are discussing about the project. The correct sentence is they are discussing the project. The verb discuss doesn't need the preposition about. Simplifying it this way ensures clarity. Mastering prepositions can be tricky, but practice makes perfect. So keep learning and you will get there. See you in my next episode.